Hello students. Now we have completed lesson number 3 question answer and all the given exercise. Now here some more grammar is in this lesson. Like a noun that denotes a male person or animal is said to be masculine gender. For example, man, boy, uncle, king, dog. A noun that denotes a female person or animal is said to be the feminine gender, as woman, girl, aunt, queen, bitch. A noun that denotes an inanimate things that is neither male or nor female is said to be the neuter gender, like house, knife, tree, chair, table, desk, ball. A noun that denotes either a male or a female is said to be of the common gender, as child, friend, cousin, parent, teacher. These are called common gender. Now here when we write about that, there are mostly used masculine and feminine gender. Here some genders are given to you, like lion, lioness, poet, poetess, bull, cow, colt, filly, jackass, genius, bridegroom, bride. Now from here, arrange these words under 4 categories. 4 categories means you have to find the words from masculine gender. Here the categories are given to you: masculine, feminine, neuter and common gender. So from here we get, like, masculine gender is bear, husband, landlord, and drone, cock. These are, from here we get these masculine gender. From feminine gender, she bear, bee, laundress, bitch. Now from neuter gender, watch. Neuter means which is not male or not female. Table, pencil, wall. Now common gender is bird, baby, child, cousin and sheep. So that way you have to find the categories of some words. Now here, fill in the blanks. A boy is to a girl as a tiger is to a tigress. Means we have to write here gender, change the gender. A dash is to princess as a hero is to heroine. Means hero is masculine gender and heroine is a feminine gender. And here princess, the feminine gender is princess, so here the masculine gender is prince. A host is to hostess as a poet is to a poetess. A tailor is to a seamstress as an dash is to an actress, actor. Now rewrite the following after changing the gender of the noun and making their other changes if necessary. Means we have to change the nouns and genders. Now the first one is, the lion carried away the son of a washerman. The sentence become, the lion become lioness. The lioness carried away the son become daughter of a washerman becomes washer woman. Like that you have to transfer the sentences. The hero of this play is a man of a great skill and experience. The sentence becomes, the heroine of this play is a woman of great skill and experience. Third one, his nephews and brothers came to see him. The sentence becomes, her niece and sisters came to see her. The host asked his maid servant to lay the table at once. The sentence becomes, the hostess asked her man servant to lay the table at once. Now let's talk. Complete the conversation below by choosing a proper response from the box. So here some response are given in this box. We have to write it there. Our school has won the first prize in the debate competition. So what expression we use? That's great. That's great. Second, my purse has been stolen. How sad. Third, look at these beautiful peacocks. Aren't they are beautiful? Aren't they lovely? Have you heard? Amit has got a scholarship. Really? Have you heard about the dengue fever? About 60 people have died in Delhi. Oh, that's terrible. That's terrible. So like that you have to write all these work in your fair notebook. And students, here let's read. There is one story is given to you. So your homework is to read the story and find the answer of that story. Thank you.